Hello, how are you? Today, we are going on a bike ride. Today, we are going to explore this area. It's a little cloudy and a little cold. I didn't bring a long sleeve, but I hope I'm going to be warm enough. Let's go and enjoy this video. The sun came out, but above me are big black clouds. It's not supposed to rain today, but let's see if these black clouds rain on me. But for now, I'm going to enjoy the sun. This route or this bike ride is nice because when it's warm and sunny, if you get too hot, you could jump into the water and go for a swim. Today, it's too cold, so I'm not going to go for a swim. Today, I saw a garbage truck. I think today is garbage day. So I saw a garbage truck throwing things into the truck. I've seen some stuff or some things at the end of people's driveways. If I see anything cool, I'll show you. Another person had a sofa or a couch out for garbage. There was also a big boat, but I don't think the boat is going in the garbage. When biking down this road, I found a turtle, a big snapping turtle sitting in the sand. It looks like he dug a hole. I hope that the turtle doesn't try to cross the road, because when the turtle crosses the road, it might stop in the middle. And when it's in the middle, a car could come and hit the turtle. In this area, there is a lot of forest and trails. Specifically, we have trails for snowmobiles. Snowmobiles are a machine that you can use to ride on the snow. So here, there's lots of trails and paths you can take your snowmobile. We have found some cows. The cows are staring at me. There's a black one and a brown one, and lots more. There is also a chair for the garbage, or maybe it's a chair to watch the cows. Here we have an excavator. The excavator is working on fixing the road, smoothing it out and making it nice.
5 minutes later.
Okay, let's try and cross this road that's full of water. I hope we make it through. I think I'm going to get wet. We made it. Okay, so I'll tell you what happened. And we're pretty dry. So I started to ride my bike into the water and my bike started sinking. And I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? So then I grabbed my bike and I started to walk around the water. As I started to walk around the water, a car pulled up and he had a rack on the back of his car. A rack, or a bike rack, is a spot you can put your bike. He put down the window and said, hey, do you want to ride through? And I said, yes, please. So I put my bike on the back of his car and he drove me through the puddle. So now I'm dry. Perfect timing. Okay, we made it back to a paved road. The last few kilometers, the last maybe 30, 40 minutes have been a dirt road. And these dirt roads are okay, but they're made of sand and they have a lot of bumps. So I'm happy to be back on the road because these were very bumpy. So a little bit more on this road and we're back home. We made it back. We made it home. The paved road was very nice and smooth, so it was easy on the last bit. Today, we rode 100 kilometers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.